What if your wall could pay your electricity bill? No, seriously, solar paint might make that possible. Scientists are developing paints that can harvest sunlight, humidity, and even produce hydrogen. Today, we're diving into what's real and what's still lab magic. Welcome to SciCurious, where science meets curiosity and occasionally confuses your house with a giant battery.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
Solar paint is not just paint with sparkles. It's a liquid photovoltaic coating. Think tiny solar panel tech embedded in pigments. Three main types exist: quantum dot paints, Perovskite coatings, and moisture-harvesting hydrogen paints. Quantum dots are semiconductor nanocrystals, billions of tiny light-absorbing particles. They can be tuned to absorb different wavelengths by changing their size. Researchers like the Sargent Group at the University of Toronto showed they can convert sunlight into usable charge. Efficient? Promising. Ready for your garage? Not yet. Perovskites are the shining stars of next-gen solar. They can be printed, sprayed, or brushed onto surfaces. Lab tests have exceeded 25% efficiency, rivaling silicon panels, according to the US NREL efficiency chart. But they don't love moisture, oxygen, or UV. Basically, great at making electricity, terrible at staying alive. In 2017, RMIT University created a paint that absorbs humidity and uses synthetic molybdenum sulfide to split water molecules. Published in ACS Nano, the paint can theoretically produce hydrogen fuel from thin air. Efficiency? Very low. Cool factor? Extremely high. Here's the challenge: durability, weather resistance, scaling, and overall power yield. A wall gives you far less energy per square meter than a proper solar panel. And perovskites, currently our best bet, still degrade too fast outdoors. Scientists across the EU, US, and Australia are working on stable formulations, encapsulation, and new chemistries. If stability improves, solar paint could democratize energy. Imagine rural areas, low-income buildings, or disaster zones turned into instant power generators without installing bulky hardware. It's not replacing solar panels, but it could complement them in ways we've barely imagined. Your wall may someday charge your devices, or even fuel your car. So here's the big question for you. If solar paint became cheap and durable, what would you paint first? Let us know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.